How do you rebuild a flood defence in one of London's tightest construction sites?
At Swan Draw Dock, we're working in collaboration with the Environment Agency through the SCAPE framework to reconstruct a failing flood defence which protects local businesses and local residents throughout the area. The wall to the left of me, which is the Swan Draw Dock eastern wall, is in a complete state of failure, and the whole purpose of our project is to reconstruct that wall. The project is in a challenging location. It's in Fulham in southwest London, and we are constrained by a bus station, by an underground station. We are surrounded by homes, and we've had to work really hard with all parties to control the works and to ensure nobody is disrupted more than necessary. So of importance to Balfour Beatty when we build the dock is the circular economy. So all of the works that Balfour Beatty have designed, which will be the temporary works and the piling works, have all been designed with that in mind. So everything within the dock, and that's 130 loads of fill, creating a piling platform, they've all been built out of recycled materials. We also do work with our social value. We visit schools. We're working currently with the local church where we're putting in a buggy park for their mother and toddler group. We also deliver a lot of work in the food bank area to deliver to many people.
When you work so close to people's homes like this, it's really important that we treat them as our neighbours. It's all about good communication and ensuring that we bring them along on this journey with us. The response that we've had from the community has been really positive, so much so that some of the residents in the surrounding areas actually bring our operatives on-site food, which has been really nice to see.
I run a local art studio for children. One day I had my studio door open and a lovely lady called Cindy from Balfour Beatty popped her head in to have a look and asked me would we do this project. So we agreed, and you have what you have here. It's Swan Dock, so we had to put a swan. The children were very excited, and once I explained to them what it was all about, it was to protect us. They got very involved. It meant a lot to them. Well, I'm really excited about it too because I'm in a building that's local, and if it floods, we're stuffed. It's a really wonderful thing that's happening actually.